What's happening, y'all? Good afternoon, I guess. Okay. Well, I'm a little surprised today, but the wind is blowing hard right now. You know, the sun is out surprisingly. If y'all can see it, y'all see the sun? I see the sun. Yep. Uh huh. We thought that storm was gonna blow out here. The wind is blowing hard though. You know, the wind is blowing very hard right now. You know. So they say this afternoon that the rain is possible, you know. So the name of this video is, I guess it ain't gonna rain after all. Okay. I guess it ain't gonna rain after all. Okay. Yep. So they say that storm is in Mississippi, you know. Tropical storm Claudette, you know. So nobody else sitting on their balconies right now, while I'm standing on mine. Okay. All right, let's go inside. So, I'll close my door again. There we go. All right, so I guess it ain't gonna rain after all. The name of the video. Okay. So let's go out here. Yeah. Keep that here just in case. All right. What a coincidence! The sun was out, or the sun went in. All these flies. I better be careful. And it's wet back here. Y'all see it's still wet back here, huh, y'all? Uh huh. So So anyway, so the name of this video is called the sun coming back out. Look at the sun. The sun is coming out. I see the sun. I see myself. I see the sun. Yep. I guess it's gonna be a beautiful day out here. You see? I see the sun. I guess it's gonna be a beautiful day out here, you know. I see the sun. Yep. I guess it's gonna be a beautiful day out here, you know. Okay. So when I'm telling y'all, be careful out here, ladies and gentlemen. Well, be careful, ladies and gentlemen. I would say it's coming out. Look at the sun. Do y'all see the sun? Shall I continue on showing y'all? I see the sun. Look at that. Yep. Well, let's go back inside. All right. So I guess that's all I'ma say. All right. I guess it ain't gonna rain. Well, it ain't gonna rain, I guess. Well, let's go back on the front while I'm downstairs. Okay. I see the sun. Sorry about that. I wasn't supposed to show that, you know. All right. Wasn't supposed to be shown. Hope nobody don't. All right, that's all.